JEF files are digital instructions for Janome embroidery machines. You can't print them on paper, but you can view the stitch pattern on your screen using free tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer you need. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for JEF file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. When we speak of file architecture, JEF is specifically built upon the embroidery sewing file type. It maintains its portability via the Janome Embroidery File convention. The JEF Janome Embroidery File is a highly proprietary file format used by Janome embroidery machines. It contains precise digital instructions for the machine, including stitch type, thread color sequences, and XY coordinates for the needle movement. Developed by Janome Sewing Machine Co., the format is closed source and hierarchical. Its design rules are focused on physical accuracy and sequence. The file is completely dependent on the Janome Customizer software, or a specialized embroidery editor to translate the machine code into a visual design. Technically, the best program for JEF is usually Janome Customizer 11000 from Janome Sewing Machine Co.'s Lato. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows cannot show stitch-by-stitch playback, so dedicated embroidery programs are necessary. Open the context menu to check file association. Right-click your JEF file and choose Open With. Try Janome Customizer 11000 first. If it's absent, select another program. Testing is the most reliable diagnostic. If the JEF file won't open, don't panic. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the JEF format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, check file association. Right-click the JEF file, select Open With, and manually associate the file with your embroidery software, e.g. Hatch Embroidery, Janome Customizer. Next, reinstall our upgrade software. If the correct software is installed but fails, try uninstalling, reinstalling the program, or consider upgrading to the newest version. Finally, use compatibility mode. If using old software on a new OS, e.g. Win 10, right-click the program executable, go to Properties, Compatibility, and run the program in compatibility mode, e.g. Windows 8. When your installed apps can't handle the file, guaranteed compatibility is only possible with a specialized universal tool. This is the recommended next step to try. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. Keep refining your technical skills. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up.